Hello, I'm Joe from Wacom, and I'm going to walk you through the setup of your Cintiq 21 display. In this case, I'm assuming your Cintiq is one of two displays that you have set up, since most people are adding to an existing computer that already has a display. The easiest way to think of this is to treat the Cintiq as two devices, a display and a tablet. They just happen to be in the same convenient case. To get started, let's make sure everything is turned off, your computer and your Cintiq. Now let's take a look at the cables. You have a single cable that comes out of the back of the display. It splits into three plugs. There's a power, USB, and the DVI for your video signal. You're also supplied with a blue adapter, which you'll use if you have a VGA or analog connection at the back of your computer, instead of a DVI connection. Connect your video connection to the appropriate port on your computer. Plug the USB into your computer, and plug the power into the power supply. Now, power supply into the electrical outlet. Confirm that the light on the power supply is on. Now turn on the Cintiq first. You'll see a blue light illuminate at the top of the center of the display. And finally, turn on your computer. Doing it in this order ensures that the computer sees the Cintiq as an attached display during startup. If you're on a Mac, the Cintiq should show the same background as your Mac, but nothing else. This is normal. If you're on a PC, you may need to enable the Cintiq in your display settings. To do this, go to your Start menu, Control Panel, Personalization, then to Display Settings. Or you can just right-click on your desktop and select Properties, and then Personalize Display Settings. In Vista or Windows 7, go to Personalize and select Display Settings. To see which monitor is which, click the Identify Monitors button. If only one monitor comes up with a number on it, or if the second monitor is grayed out, right-click on the grayed out monitor and choose Attached and the Extend checkbox. Then click Apply. Now click the Identify button again. You should have a 1 on your primary display and a 2 on your Cintiq. This shows that both displays are working and ensures that you know which is which. Choose the icon that represents your Cintiq and check to make sure that the resolution is set to 1600 by 1200. This is the optimal resolution because it corresponds to the native size of your Cintiq. LCDs will always look best at their native resolutions. Now let's get the tablet portion of the Cintiq running. To get your Cintiq talking with your computer properly, we need to make sure to install the latest driver. You can use the one on the CD that came with your Cintiq, or go to our website to make sure you have the most recent driver release. Save it to your desktop or some other easy-to-find location. Once the driver is installed, your pen should map to the Cintiq display, meaning when you get the pen close to your display, you can control the cursor under the pen. At this point, it's normal if the cursor doesn't map exactly where you want it. We just need to calibrate it in the Cintiq's control panel. We'll cover this in another video called Calibrating Your Cintiq. We also have another video on customizing your Cintiq 21 UX, which gives you more on setting up your pen, express keys, and touch strips. You've now completed the installation. If you'd like more information about working with dual displays, check out our other help videos. Or if you have questions, please visit the customer care section of Wacom.com.